Maranatha. Okay, i-testimony yami inje. Kuthe last week ngafonelwa ngomunye ubhuti wami engikade ngamgcina kudala use-UK. Ubhuti wathi sisi benilokhe ngikukhumbula. Uyakwazi ukuthi mina ngagcina ngo-grade 7 angifundanga but ngise-UK. Ngathi yes I know. Wasisithi khona ngifuna uku-advance. Ngi-advance ngifuna ukufunda ngapha e-UK. Manje mina isikhiwa asivumi. Ngicela ungincedise ngesikhiwa wena njengoba ungumbalisi. Ngathi it's okay ngizakuncedisa. Wabe senda ama-assignment akhe. Wabe sithi mina ngimncedise, ngamncedisa. Then people of God, izolo uqalisile wathi sisi hambe thatha imali yakho komkuru. Ngizakwenza so every month for 18 months. Wena ungincedisa ngesikhiwa mina ngunika ipay. So as I'm standing right here, I'm earning a double salary.
I've never seen people who are jealous like people in this house. If you are not jealous, celebrate Jesus. You see, you know your problem there. You are supposed to go to church. Now, every time when we are closing church, we say raise your phones. We are praying for divine helpers. And God had to touch somebody that is in UK. I pray for you. Now she has got double salary, Wasalwan. I'm telling you, UK chativinga kunoko. I release yours in the name of Jesus. I declare financial breakthrough. I declare financial miracle. In the name of...
Okay, a word of encouragement yami useyikhulumile uApostle. Ngiyokuthi ungaphangisa ukuphuma mzalwane. Hlala eChurch kuze kuphakanyiswa amafonela ethu and uyabathinta uGod of Solutions. Ngoba wangitshela wathi sisi benilokho ngicabanga ukuthi ngubani ongangincedisa ngalokho ngoba isikhiwa kimasivume but sengimncedisile amanye ama-assignments akhe usewaphasile and uthi right and uthi for 18 months sis ngiyabonga.